How to use SUPERThrive. SUPERThrive is a non-toxic vitamin solution designed to promote plant growth. While this may sound like a fertilizer, the solution is actually intended as a supplement for plants instead of a fertilizer replacement. While you can use SUPERThrive on plants ranging from garden vegetables to lawn turf, how you apply it can vary depending on the type of plant that you're using it on and the soil conditions you have. SUPERThrive comes in liquid form and mixes readily with water. The amount of SUPERThrive that you add to the water depends on the specific purpose you have in mind for the solution. Once mixed, all of the prepared solution should be used in the same day. Apply the solution to dry soil, avoiding watering the treated area for at least 24 hours to prevent diluting or washing away the SUPERThrive. You can apply fertilizer and other soil additives at the same time as SUPERThrive. For general plant maintenance, add 1/4 teaspoon of SUPERThrive to each gallon of water you apply to your plants. This concentration is ideal for both indoor and outdoor plants and can be applied on either weekly or monthly. Apply the solution directly to the soil, though you can also use it as a foliar spray if you have plants that benefit from foliar feeding and watering. When transplanting plants or trees, mix a solution of 1 teaspoon of SUPERThrive per gallon of water. Fill the transplant hole with the solution, placing the bare roots of the plant in the filled hole and letting it soak for 15 minutes to ensure that any air bubbles are removed. Fill the hole with soil after the soaking is complete. If transplanting a tree, soak the root ball in a solution of 2 tablespoons of SUPERThrive in 5 gallons of water instead. For larger scale watering using a spraying or irrigation system, add SUPERThrive at a rate of 3 ounces per 100 gallons of water. You can use this for greenhouse gardening, lawn irrigation or other gardening projects. If your irrigation system doesn't provide access for additives, you may need to water by hand using the same concentration as you would use for general gardening. Add SUPERThrive to your hydroponics system each time you change the water along with any other fertilizers or nutrients you use. Add the same 3 ounces per 100 gallon concentration that you would use if you were adding SUPERThrive to a standard irrigation system, regardless of the type of hydroponic system that you use.